respected guests of honor, Dhyana ji, Shri Malhotra ji, Brahmachari Amit ji, Director Prabhat Jain, School Director Gurgaon, Mrs. Narang, my friends from Pathway Schools, Mr. Jimmy Reena, Usha Lamba, welcome to this beautiful sunny afternoon. We have a lot of special guests here today, including of course the very special ones, our grandparents and parents. A very good afternoon to everybody. Welcome to Pathways Varavali. On behalf of the entire fraternity, primary school fraternity, and my colleagues from Pathways Varavali, my principals, the unit heads, I take them on my side rather than putting them with you, and I say on behalf of all of us, we welcome you to Pathways Varavali. Thank you for making the journey here to the school. And actually, we took you a bit for granted. We said that once that invitation goes out from your little one, we are sure you'll walk that extra mile to see the twinkle in those eyes. Because my little ones have been super excited about the day today. They have been looking so much forward to having you here. They have been rehearsing and practicing, and some of them have been sharing with me, actually, that they haven't really told you what they are doing here. Have they shared that with you, I wonder?
Yes.
No? Oh, okay, good, great. So this is going to come as a fabulous surprise because there's been really feverish anticipation, lots of energy, lots of practices that are happening here in school. Let me tell you, sometimes we underestimate our little ones. We think they're 5-year-old, 7-year-old, 10-year-old. And it's not only the song and dance that you would gradually see, and it's not just that they're doing. All of these, or most of these, or a lot of these young children have done multiple roles today. They have gone to studios to do recordings as voiceover artists. They are MCs. They have done a lot of singing. You'll see them in different choir groups as well. So they're juggling between different roles. They're welcoming guests, and it's amazing how a 10-year-old or an 8-year-old can do all of that and still feel cheerful. We as adults, I think, tend to let that bog us down and we say, oh my gosh, I'm getting tired. But you never find that on their faces. And believe me, they can give you a mean argument about the demand and supply chain or gender inequality. But of course, this is not the forum for that. I know all of you are very eager to have the show started. I hope you have noticed colors everywhere. Colors, if that's not obvious. Yes, we do have a lot of colors, and we thought this was the perfect season for celebrating colors. It is the festive season. It's an event. It's all of you here on this beautiful afternoon. So we have colors everywhere. And if that gives you a brief idea about what today afternoon is going to look like, yes, we do have something to do with colors coming up. And actually, when me and my team was struggling for thinking about various ideas for the show this afternoon, and we did think of colors, and what actually made us freeze this concept was an idea that germinated from the grade 5 assembly that we watched. They had, the production that you're going to see was a part of that grade 5 assembly that they did as a summative assessment for their unit this term. And that's where it all took root, and we said, okay, it's so fabulous, let's share that with the entire community. So it does then, the entire, what you're going to see today is the idea of our students as well. We adults have just put in what we could, but the basic idea has germinated from the students themselves. As I said, never underestimate these young students, and I know you're very eager to watch the show. Lots of surprises in store, be ready for that. But I will sign off with a quote from Rumi, which is very dear to my heart, and I think it applies perfectly to my young students. It says, each person or each child is not a drop in an ocean. Each drop contains an ocean in itself. So that's what the children are.